Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today video title guys, how can we solve guys phone internet problem. Friends, you want to solve guys your phone internet problems, and how can we solve today friends? I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, you will have to on guys your phone setting to solve guys your phone internet problem. After on phone setting guys, click on guys your phone system settings. So guys, we will on guys our phone system setting guys, tap here. Friends, you can see this tab setting. Friends, click on guys your phone backup and reset setting guys, tap here. Friends, you can see reset phone setting guys, tap here. Friends, you can see network setting and we will tap here. After guys, you can see this type of interface. So guys, you will have to draw guys your phone pattern log, and friends, you have any passwords, so enter your password. So guys, I will draw my pattern, and guys, you can see reset setting guys, tap here to solve internet problem. So friends, your internet problem is solved, and friends, you can use guys your phone internet setting without any problem. After that guys, you have any problem, so guys, take a screenshot of your phone model number guys, send me on comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video.